Imagine paddling through crystal clear waters, discovering hidden islands, and then, well, let's just say not everything always goes according to plan. Get ready for our unforgettable road trip to Oyama, British Columbia. You won't believe what happened to us. I'm Jay.
I'm Laura.
And we're the LANMonkeys.
It is possible, I know it's not too late.
Hey adventurers, welcome to another episode. We took an amazing road trip to Oyama, British Columbia, nestled in the beautiful lake country of the Okanagan. Our home for a few nights was this incredible Airbnb that was the perfect combination of coziness and comfort, and of course had all the amenities we needed. We couldn't wait to explore, and our first adventure was just up the hillside from where we were staying.
We unpacked the kayak, got it ready, and then it was time to paddle our way to adventure.
Good thing we brought some spare log sheets with us. The first one we got to, it's dry inside, but no log sheet. So put a new one in there, signed it, and off to the next island. Well, the wind is starting to pick up this afternoon, as expected on most lakes in the afternoon. But this is the earliest we could get here. We started right around noon, well, just before noon, and it's 20 after 12 now, so it's not bad. So we're ashore at the next island. Looks like someone's got some serious camp set up here. Got some windshields, windbreakers, big fire pit set up to block the wind. Someone's even got a lean-to set up here. And here's the latrine on Toilet Seat Island. All right. Well, don't need it right now, but good to know where it is. Where to next? That way? That way. All right, back in the boat anyways, that's all we know. Back in the kayak. Oyama Lake is just filled with little islands, and many of them have T5 paddle geocaches. So this is a really fun adventure to come out here and try and find as many of these as we can. So far we're doing all right, but hope I didn't just jinx it. That would suck. Well, made it to the smallest of the islands. That's a tough find. I think it's there. We got out of the kayak, did not see that wasp nest right there. And they started swarming. Luckily, Laura was able to get past them without getting stung, so we're just gonna I'm gonna find a different place to put ashore because that is bad news. Well, while not every island had a find, we've got a DNF on this island here. It's still really cool to paddle around to these dozens of little islands and enjoy exploring around on them. Having explored the islands on Oyama Lake, it was time to paddle back to the wreck site, put the kayak away, drive back down the FSR, and have a relaxing night in the Airbnb before we tackled another big day of adventure the next morning.
Must start morning with coffee.
And for extra authenticity, an actual real Tim Hortons cup.
Okay, so the sad part is I just had to Google how to hard boil eggs and I realized that I started wrong. But the eggs aren't in it yet, so I can start over. This is recoverable at this point.
So today we are going to do an unusual second day in a row of kayaking. We are going to take the kayak out onto Kalamalka Lake, which is the lake immediately adjacent to on the north side of Oyama. We're going to go paddling for some T5 caches, so looking forward to that. We don't do kayaking 2 days in a row very often, do we?
No.
How are your arms feeling today?
So
I'm sorry, this is going to be an adventure. You ready for it?
I'm up for it.
You're up for it? You're up for it, I'm up for it. Let's be up for it. All right, next stop, getting the kayak to the lake. So we're down at the shores of Kalamalka Lake. We are getting the kayak inflated. Let's get this adventure started. Don't look now, but you got a duck sneaking up behind you. Duck says, I don't care who you are, just feed me. Honestly, you guys suck. Well, adventurers, we paddled out to the far end and we started to work our way back, but what we're finding is that these caches are a little long in the tooth and maybe haven't been maintained on a semi-regular basis. So let's just say your mileage may vary. Make sure you read the logs if you're going to try these to try and claim the T5s. Do your research and good luck. This is still pretty cool. Let's check it out. Wow. All right. Another find. Another rare find. How are you gonna get in the boat? You're gonna jump from there into the boat? I don't know that that's a good plan. Oyama is one of 4 communities that make up the area known as Lake Country here in the Okanagan. Now we're coming and we're visiting in late September, which is an absolute beautiful time to come because it's still warm enough to enjoy the area, but the crowds have thinned out from the summertime. So it's like the shoulder season, great time to visit, great deals on the Airbnbs, and most of the restaurants and wineries are still open. And of course, another thing to consider when you are in the Okanagan, it is wine country of British Columbia. So have the opportunity to stop by a winery, enjoy a tasting. We're here at Blind Tiger. There's plenty to choose from. Oyama and Lake Country was so beautiful and the weather was so great. We weren't done yet. Next, we were out to go explore and enjoy the Okanagan Rail Trail. The Okanagan Rail Trail is a great way for geocachers or their muggle friends to come and spend a lovely part of the day. Lots of geocaches to find, but Also just a beautiful, easy trail to walk or ride.
I found the one. Nope, just a one. This one. It's a preform.
We wrapped up our visit with a stop along the Farm Gate Trail in Lake Country, BC. Well, I didn't walk away empty-handed. We made sure as we stopped in and checked out everything at the store that we're going to bring home some peach salsa. Well, Mrs. Monkey, we ready to hit the road?
Yep.
Did you enjoy your visit here?
Yes.
Yes. Stop asking me stupid questions.
I dodged that unexpected wasp nest encounter without a sting, and that was nearly as unbelievable as how beautiful Oyama was. We found lots of geocaches and even a giant Smiley, which made plenty of great memories of our unforgettable adventures in Lake Country.
Adventurers, as we look forward to our next geocaching travel adventure, we hope you'll continue to come along with us. Join our patron family at patreon.com for extra content all year long, and make sure you subscribe to see where we travel next with geocaching as our tour guide.
Hey adventurers, I'm Jay.
I'm Laura.
And we're the Land... Oh,
God, I got distracted by the duck.
duck distraction. Hey adventurers, I'm Jay.
I'm Laura.
And we're the LANMonkeys.